In this episode, I'm taking you to our small olive grove right during the olive harvest. At the end, you will see the green gold, as we call it, extra virgin olive oil from Istria. Let's go! Is there any better way to start a video than with this? Olives all around us. It's amazing. And this what you hear is Misha, as usual. So yeah, today we are at our, I don't know how to say, vineyard but with olives, olive yard, I don't know, probably not, but yeah. So we have here next to the land we are usually talking about, we have around 100 olive trees. As you can see, everywhere around me are olive trees. They are planted around 10 years ago and they are doing very good actually, and this year is very nice. As you can see here, these olives are both so the one is Istrian and the second one is Italian sort. So yeah, they're very nice. They are also very big, as you can see. They're very large. They are not usually, I get asked all the time, so if you can use them on pizza, and you can, but they're a little bit small, then they don't have so much, fat, and that they are not thick enough. So you can, but I have no idea what the flavor is going to be. Actually, so here is one, which is the half of it is here. So yeah, you can look inside it. Yep. So yeah, this is what we are going to talk about today. Olives, all about olive trees and everything. So it's going to be very nice. So here is a short tutorial on how do we pick olive. So we can do it simply using your hand. Here is the olive and it's very light. You can pull it and as you can see, this small olive is now picked and we can just leave it on the floor. So this is the slowest method. The second method is using the small tool which has this kind of like a fingers, and so here is one olive, and as you can see, if you put this tool here, when we pick it, yeah, nothing happened, but when we pick it, oh, that's it, the olive just fall out. So that's the second way. And the third way, which my grandfather is actually doing right now, is with this electric tool where it just hits the olive tree and it shakes it, and the olives are falling down. The fourth way is with the special tool which is set up on tractor, where this tool grabs the olive tree in the middle and then shakes it, so all the olives are just falling down. That's the fastest way. But once the olives are here, we are just picking them all together, putting them in the boxes, in the bracket, in the buckets, or in the nets, and that's all. This is the net for olives. It's, as you can see, it's made out of very small fiber, and it's placed around the entire tree, and then they are just falling down, as you can see here, and that's all. When we collect them all, we drive them to the facility where they make oil out of them. Usually the oil is made in the same day or the day after. The olives are picked up and ready to process them to produce oil from them. We did this. It took 2 days to complete this task. So yeah, for 80 trees, that's actually a good task. We are very happy, and I think the rain is actually starting to fall down. So yeah, this was a very nice harvest. It was very unique because this is the first harvest in our history that we almost 100% used the electric powered, I don't know how to say it, that tool for for hitting the olives. So yeah, that was very good, and it was very fast. As I said, 80 trees in 2 days. That's actually amazing. Oh, this video was short, but it was sweet because it captured one day, a little bit of also the night during the season of picking olives, and we are very happy for that, and we are very thankful that we have this opportunity to have our own oil. Olive oil, I like to eat it with cheese, that thick, hard cheese, and then you just put the fresh, young olive oil over it, and that's fantastic. I wanted to say it in Italian, but I have no idea how to say it. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, ask me a question if you have any, and I will make sure to answer all of those.